were having this traditional Polish Christmas celebration, which involves lots of cooking and lots of work, and yeah, it was very busy. And then my mom came over Christmas, and the last vlog that you have seen from London and Winter Wonderland was during that time. The next day we also went to the beach, so I was quite busy, but now I am planning to get back on track with more frequent uploads. And today, as you can see, I went to hairdresser and I had my hair highlighted finally, and hopefully I will be more blonde and more blonde and more blonde. You like it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, it's like more blonde than the last time. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, it's already good, and after several washes it will be more blonde. So now we came for a date night to a Japanese place, and we ordered something gluten-free, some gluten-free feast, because I'm craving Asian. I'm always craving Asian. This one in particular. Thank you. Yeah, and we came without reservation, reservazione, and it's Saturday. It's a Saturday night. You guys should see his face when I said that. It's a Saturday night, but yet we got the whole table to ourselves. So today is the next day after us having a lovely dinner in this Japanese place, which was super mega spicy, I have to tell you. I had one day of much needed rest after Christmas, because I was so tired with all the food eating and preparation, and it was so busy because my mom was here over Christmas, so it was very intense. So I was taking the rest, but look at this now. I'll show you something. Look who is here, all the way from Abu Dhabi. Hi! All the way from Abu Dhabi, my very dear friend, which you might know from some of my previous videos. And we are showing her around in London. Like, not that she doesn't know, but we still...
Yeah, I'm having a fabulous time. So happy to meet these guys again.
Yeah. Quick update, we were having the whole beautiful day together with my husband and my dear lovely friend, walking in this area. This is like kind of Polish Arabic area, very nice, lots of places to eat, but yet we managed to find a ramen, and this is where we are going. They are busy catching up with all the conversations. And what we gonna have?
It's so amazing. I love it.
What's that?
Yeah, this is the vegan ramen. Yeah, I love it.
Do you think they have anything gluten-free?
I'm sure they do.
And there is a quick change of plans because we went to this ramen place, but as it turned out, everything has gluten. And she's vegan, so that makes it even more difficult to choose a place to eat, because I have to avoid gluten. She avoids. I'm happy. She avoids everything that is non-vegan. But we finally found this Vietnamese place, which is pho. Vietnamese pho. Basically rice noodles with all the other goodies. And as you all know, I love Asian. guys, today is the next day. Yesterday we spent a wonderful time and wonderful day with a very good friend of mine who's still a crew in Etihad, and she came here for the layover, so we joined her in the city in London, and we spent wonderful time catching up, walking around, eating and having good time overall. So I hope you did enjoy that footage. Today we are spending a chill day at home. We spent morning planning our upcoming trip. I don't know if I have mentioned that so far in this channel, but I got both of us tickets to Italy and Poland as a part of Christmas gift for my husband. So we were planning the trip, booking accommodation and doing other things related. I'm going to post a video soon about how to plan a trip, how to plan a holiday, my top tips about it, and I think that will be worth seeing because, you know, tips from ex-flight attendant regarding travel is always a good idea. So I hope you will like that, and other than this we're gonna spend the rest of the day at home chilling, maybe cooking something healthy, because last week was so much indulgence. It was Christmas, so much eating of heavy food. Polish traditional meals are not the healthiest, so lots of unhealthy but super yummy food. And the last week, as you could see in this footage, was lots of indulging as well, so time to cook at home something healthy and get back on track. So as I was saying earlier, today I was aiming for making something healthy for dinner, so we are making this fish with veggies, and that's pollock. All you need for this recipe are just everything you see here, so that's not a lot of ingredients and you can make it at home very fast and very easily. So that's pollock right here. Here you have I already peeled some carrots and celery and parsnip. I use a shallot instead of regular onion because that's milder taste, so that needs to be peeled and grated, so I have a grater here. And then tomato concentrate, that's a Polish brand, oregano, sweet paprika, bay leaf and allspice, and you use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil to fry it on. And here we have the next stage of our preparation. So I defrosted and cut the fish in smaller pieces, just season it with salt and pepper. I grated all the veggies, so that's carrot, celery and parsnip, and trust me, grating all that is an actual workout. At the end I had to ask my husband to help me with that because that was too much, and I did cut shallots in half slices, and all the spices are here ready, so everything is ready and prepared to for the further action. Let me put it that way. And coming up here to the other side of the kitchen, we have this little cupboard with a display of some of our cooking pots and pans, and this is my favorite part of the kitchen because this cupboard is so cool. It serves as a nice way of storage as well as display. Yeah, I'm really into cooking, as you know, so all of this comes in handy. This is actually all bought by my husband before we even met, so he's a perfect catch. This is my favorite piece in this collection. This is a Dutch oven, cast iron, super heavy, very heavy. I don't tend to use it very often because, yeah, as I said, it's very heavy. But if you are really into cooking and if you're cooking lots of real stuff, homemade meals like pulled pork or something that requires long time cooking, long hours, that's a perfect thing to invest in. They are not expensive, they are not cheap, they're quite pricey, but definitely will serve you long time. So for this meal I will need a pan, a big pan for frying the fish, and also a medium-sized pot to cook all the veggies. So all the veggies are cooking here with all the spices. I still have to add some tomato concentrate in here, and all this is going to be ready in 15 minutes or even less. Here I have water prepared for the rice because I will serve it over rice, and here is the pan with extra virgin olive oil ready to fry the fish. So I hope you enjoy this type of weekly vlogs with us. Please let me know down in the comments if you do, if you want to see more vlogs like this. and subscribe if you haven't done that yet, so I can see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.